Hi, my name is Kayla, and this is the monogastric digestive system. So my chosen animal is primates, specifically chimpanzees, and they have a monogastric digestive system. And this is where animals that have a one compartment stomach. It starts with the food entering the mouth and being broken down by their teeth and tongue. It then travels down the esophagus into the stomach. The stomach stores the food for a short period of time and using enzymes to break down the food to allow it to be absorbed into the bloodstream. The undigested food then travels into the small intestine where it is broken down even more to get the rest of the nutrients out. The remaining material then passes through the large intestine for more to be broken down and then excreted through the rectum or anus. So the differences from other digestive systems are that animals with ruminant or pseudo-ruminant digestive systems have four compartments that the feed goes through before being fully digested. They will have the first compartment being the rumen, the second the reticulum, third omasum, and fourth being the abomasum, while monogastric systems do not have any of these. And then you have avian digestive systems are for poultry and birds, where the feed will enter the crop, then the gizzard, go into the small intestine, cecum, and then excreted from the cloaca, which are all parts of the body of birds specifically. And then monogastric animals also do not have any needs. They do not have a crop or a gizzard, and they do not have a cloaca. Monogastric digestive systems is necessary for the breakdown of the type of food that primates ingest due to the high fiber and high protein that comes with our diet, which includes leafy greens, veggies, and browse. The process of intaking the food, breaking it down into smaller bits by their teeth, traveling into the stomach to get digested, and then having the small intestine break it down even more. Those are necessary for the breakdown of those foods. None of that would be digested if they had a different digestive system because they aren't ruminants, so they aren't in need of the rumen or reticulum, which is where, browse and grass gets just kind of chewed, then swallowed, and then regurgitated multiple times a day. Primates don't need that. And then they don't have things like the crop or a cloaca because that's very specific to birds. But in a monogastric, the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine all help with breaking down the nutrients to be absorbed into the bloodstream for energy. So being in a zoo setting, zookeepers are able to provide the chimpanzees with the necessary nutrients and foods required for a well-balanced diet. In the wild, they could not be getting sufficient amounts that they need in like protein, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin D, and all that. However, zoos have the means to provide the necessities to have that well-balanced diet.